I had a weird epiphany 5 years ago. Whenever I went out with my friends, we talked about Dan Lok, Tai Lopez, Rich Piana, Greg Doucette, Miles Beckler, Frank Kern, and I realized that all those people have one thing in common. I'll get to that thing in a second, but what's fascinating was that we are some random dudes in Bulgaria discussing how CoffeeZilla exposed Tai Lopez or Dan Lok. I knew that was something weird because back in the day we were talking about sports, video games, or like dating girls, but now a big chunk of our conversations circled around internet celebrities. What all those people have in common? They share free educational information on the internet. It's called content marketing. I wanted to start with content marketing in 2014 when I read Gary Vaynerchuk's book Crush It. Back then I felt insecure about creating content, but I knew that the more I wait, the harder it would become. That's why I needed to become better at my craft. I do marketing. My area of expertise is helping entrepreneurs generate more sales using Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and automated marketing systems. But in 2014, I just wasn't ready. I turned 30 last year, so I decided to start publishing. It was time. I couldn't wait anymore, so I created my first content marketing strategy. I decided to share 2 videos on YouTube weekly and email my list once per month. You might think that's not a lot, but I'm not a native English speaker, and talking to a camera freaked me out. I also run a digital marketing agency and I'm pretty busy working with clients. I decided to start small, but my goal was to never miss a week where I don't publish 2 videos on YouTube. I posted my very first video on September 13th, 2021, and it was hard. I had to buy a new camera, learn how to light the video and how to get good audio out of the camera. It took me 3 days to record my first video. My plan was 1 year from now, I'll have 104 videos uploaded to YouTube regardless of how many subscribers and likes I got. Believe it or not, it was the best decision I ever made. However, it was super hard. I'm based in Bulgaria and I'm targeting English-speaking countries. So in the first 8 months, my videos were getting on average 20 views per day, but I did not stop. I kept going. By August 22nd, I published around 100 videos, but I had less than 100 subscribers. A week later, something happened and my daily views started to grow. I was getting 30 to 40 views per day. Then a week later, I started getting 100 views per day. And as of now, my channel brings around 200 views per day. If I stopped in the middle, I wouldn't get here. I know that I don't even have 8,000 subscribers yet, but for me that's huge because last year I couldn't even talk in front of a camera. Also, on September 26, 2022, a year later after I started my channel, I got 726 views in 1 day. Things started growing. I decided to implement YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikToks. So from September 13, 2022, I started publishing on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. I use a scheduling tool to repurpose my content and long videos for LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. My main platform is YouTube, but I publish my content everywhere thanks to Metricool, the social media tool I use. You can check my Instagram and TikTok to follow my growth on other platforms. Good social media scheduling tools that will help you schedule your content everywhere with one click are Radar, Buffer, and Hootsuite. But if you want to repurpose TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, I think Metricool is the best option on the market. I publish on those platforms every day at 8 p.m. New York time. Also, my videos are embedded on my WordPress website, envymarketing.net, and I embed my YouTube videos on my Medium blog. I hope to get some external traffic from other social media platforms and send that traffic directly to YouTube because YouTube is my main marketing channel. Follow me everywhere to see how those channels grow over the years. If you want to scale your business to the next level, check the links in the description below. My name is Nico. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, my Facebook page, and just everywhere. But yeah, YouTube will be my main platform and I'll try to grow that as big as possible.